Welcome to the world-class facilities of Cat-Reman-Indiana. You already know that engines and components are remanufactured to the latest OEM specifications and with processes certified to the latest industry quality and manufacturing standards. Now the ultimate advantage is to have the leanest operation in the industry, located in a modern facility and totally immersed in a comprehensive culture of Caterpillar production systems, which will drive value and lead the industry for years to come. As you might expect, a complete offering of diesel reman products is available from Cat-Reman to cover virtually all past and current model years. Let's take just a few minutes to show you an overview of our approach to remanufacturing. All products are remanufactured, which means we start by disassembling 100% of the engine and discarding all those components that are deemed substandard. Careful attention is given to this process to assure components that can be remanufactured are not damaged and that the highest reclaim possible is accomplished to maintain cost competitiveness. All components are cleaned and thoroughly inspected. All engine components subject to wear and deterioration are carefully machined to the latest OEM specifications to assure like-new performance. An example of latest technology is the plateau honing of cylinder bores on all models, even though this is recent technology. Another example is the micro-polishing equipment with full capability of applying complex super finish and crosshatch as required on certain model engines. Assembly of engines is done in individual lean assembly cells, which are highly error-proof, very focused, and flexible. All critical fasteners are new and assembled with torque tensioning equipment, same as new. All critical data is recorded for future reference. Finished product offerings include the 6.5-liter GM engine for both commercial and military applications. This product is superior in the market to competitive 6.5-liter offerings, as each engine has a new OEM-produced engine block, camshafts, and cylinder heads. Each engine is hot tested under full operating loads on one of our several GE eddy current dynamometers. As many as 52 critical data points are qualified 3 times a second during this full load test to assure maximum product performance. Notice as we show you hydraulic electronic unitized injectors and variable geometry turbochargers, the commitment to very expensive, highly capable equipment same as used by OEMs. This is the differentiator. All injectors are completely disassembled, inspected, and cleaned. Plungers and barrels are machined on OEM equipment and select fit to assure maximum performance and lowest variation from injector to injector. All components are measured to precise tolerances. Deficient parts are discarded and replaced with new. As the injector begins the assembly process, sub-assemblies, such as the nozzle group, are carefully qualified for dimensional and torque specifications, as well as flow and performance characteristics on OEM equipment to assure each piece performs as intended. Fully assembled HUE injectors are performance tested on this custom-built OEM final test machine that not only gives the most accurate timing, pressure, and flow data, but analyze a total of 24 critical data points to assure best performance. Wow, that is attention to detail. Cat-Reman is the highest volume diesel fuel injector remanufacturer in the world, shipping over 200,000 HUE injectors each year. Cat-Reman-Indiana is the only production remanufacturer of variable geometry turbochargers with full cooperation of the OEM producer. All units are completely disassembled and cleaned. Unusable material is discarded and replaced with OEM parts. Compressor and turbine wheels are individually balanced to assure conformance to critical OEM specifications. Then, all center housing rotating parts are assembled and balanced as a unit on this state-of-the-art balancer and various speeds up to 110,000 revolutions per minute. Finally, the entire turbocharger is performance tested again to assure maximum vehicle performance. Engineering development and continuous improvement are perhaps most evident in the remanufacturing of high-pressure pumps. With all engine models, design has been advanced to include much more robust pumping bores, high wear surfaces, fittings, and oil pressure control to dramatically improve product reliability over the OEM design. You have now seen various areas of our world-class facility. The commitment to operating in the cleanest environment is obvious. At Cat-Reman, we take steps to assure that even microscopic dirt is under control. Many OEMs do not have the same capability we have with this computer scanning particle analyzer. We can measure the size, count the particles, and group them by size, and even look at what it's made of. In addition, we lead the industry with other process and technology capabilities, including 100% sampling of engine oil on this optical emission spectrometer to assure no wear metals or fluid contamination after dyno test. Laser measuring of crankshafts to assure full machine capabilities, and this coordinate measuring machine layout of production parts to verify accuracy, to name a few. From the minute your engine or component is received at our door until it's shipped as a fully remanufactured diesel product, its metal is tested and scrutinized more completely than anyone in the industry. We know this to be true since Cat-Reman works cooperatively with the OEM and with all OEM specifications and components, and in fact, actual OEM equipment. We thank you for taking the time to watch and listen to just a small piece of our story. We expect your experience with us to meet or exceed your expectations and the cost of ownership to be the best in the industry. Our world-class facility is an example to our commitment to quality and operational excellence. Our attention to cleanliness, lean manufacturing, and quality at the source are examples of best values and customer satisfaction. We look forward to serving you whenever you need the best remanufactured diesel product available in the market.